What's up guys, my name is Vedant and you all are welcome to this channel. By the way, I hope you all are good, and in this video we are just seeing how to download VS Code on your laptop or PC. So just open any of your browser and just search here for VS Code download, and the first website, just go to this first website. And by the way, I would be leaving the link in the description box or the comment section, so you could just see here. Okay, now from here just select your operating system, either it is Windows, Linux or Mac. So for now I'm just selecting here Windows, so let's just click on this Windows. And then you could just, if you want to read this out, you could just read it and the download will automatically start. Okay, so the download has been finished, so I would be click on this show in folder, and this is the VS Code as you can see. So just double click on it, and now it will ask for some permission. So just click for I accept the agreement because it is of Microsoft, so you could trust it. Now let's just go with next. You would select the path, let it remain the default one. Now let's just again go with next. Then you could just rename it, but I would be going with the default one. Then just checklist all the icon, and by the way, let's just again go with next. And you are all ready. Now let's just go with install. Okay, so now it is successfully downloaded. Now let's just close all the thing, and here you would be just getting that launch Visual Studio Code. So let's just finish it, and congratulations, here your Visual Studio Code is ready to go. Well, this was a video of how to download and install Visual Studio Code in your laptop or PC. I hope you love this video, and do subscribe our channel. By the way, if you have any doubt, so just go to this about section. Here you would get our Instagram link, so just click on this Instagram link and do follow us on Instagram. So if you have any of the doubts, so I will be solving on this Instagram only, or you could just directly search me on Instagram, which is Vedant Bilaiya. And one more, which is design with Bilaiya, where I just put all the design which I make, and the total of these all designs would be coming soon. So yes, if you haven't subscribed our channel, go for it and do follow our accounts. So yes, this much for this video, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till the time, bye bye.